What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. Today, I'm going to go over how I learn a song. So, everybody has their own methods. This is my sequence that I follow for the most part when I hear a song that I like and that I want to learn. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. First things first, I listen to the song so I can learn the chords. I typically follow the song and I hear the bass line, and based off the bass line, I build that chord like I explained in my last video. So in this case, it's the cover I did, the pink and white Frank Ocean. So I'll learn the chords, not trying to get into anything too complex. I just want to learn the chords. And so that's what I'll do. So had that C major 7. Right? That's literally the song, those 3 chords of the song. Got a little bit of that rhythm. Well, from there, I'm going to research. I'm going to figure out the BPM. In this instance, it was 80 BPM. And then I'm going to go and get the time signature, right? Is it 4/4 or is it 6/8? So in this instance, it was 6/8. So I'm going to pull up trusty Ableton and fix it. I'm going to do 80 BPM. Turn on my BPM or my metronome. I just armed the track. All right, from there, I will go to and edit, making it 6/8 time signature. Boom. From there, I can practice. Little off there. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And as I'm getting used to this time signature, just adding a couple notes there, adding a little bit of my flair. First, we listened to the song. The second thing we did was figure out the chord progression. After that, we got the tempo down and the time signature, okay? From there, it is putting together the specifics of the songs. For this, it's the melody. So my next thing is practicing those chords thoroughly, getting down that melody, if need be in the right hand, or if I'm singing it, getting down what I'm going to be playing specifically. So figuring that out, and then I'm going to add back in the metronome. And so this is what it looks like, that signature. Right? So I've got the basics down. What more can I add? How fuller can I sound? So I've got that intro part down. Now my left hand, I want to add more. So I can literally play the whole chord. I can do that, or I can arpeggiate it like how the bass sounds. Obviously, there's a verse. And it continues. So practicing it thoroughly and getting down that main part. At this point, you're listening to the record. If you're not looking at the chord charts, sometimes I cheat, look at the chord charts because I just want to learn it and play it because it sounds so dope. If I'm really practicing to get it into my repertoire and there's not a time crunch, I'm listening to it all the way through so that I can expand my ear and hear those different chords, hear what I'm supposed to hear, because I'm adding those sounds into the chord library in my head so that I can become better over time. From there, I add flavor, meaning my own style. So this song has that signature sound that you kind of have to follow. But towards the end, in the cover that I did, I had a few more chord voicings that I really liked that I added into it. So adding your own flavor, adding improvisation, adding passing chords, adding different chord voicings that you really like. Those are all things that you can do to add more to your song. And so this is what it sounded like. So coming off of that, the chorus. C major 7, or I did a C major 9. Then I went to the B. So instead of a B minor, I did a B7, or the C major 9. Then the B minor 7, I did a different voicing. And then to the A. A little bit of walking down in the scale. A major scale. Back to the C major 9. Then I did this. I still need to figure out how to explain it, but this is what it sounds like, this change. So B7 sus4, and then A major 9. Ooh, sounds so beautiful. So this is what it sounds like. So leading into it. That sounds so lovely. Beautiful. So you add your flavor. Add your flavor, whatever it is that you want it to sound like. Staying true to the song so that people continue to recognizing it, but adding more of your own flavor. And from there, you do everything, but you continue to practice with the metronome. So So there you have it, folks. How I break down and play a song. So I start off listening to the song. Then I figure out the chords to the song. From there, I play the progression to get a basic understanding of it. After I play that progression and get that basic understanding, I get the rhythm, timing, tempo of the song. And then I focus on mastering the song to the best of my ability. From there, I add flavor. Add my flavor to the song, be it chord inversions, passing chords, different voicings, improvisation of the melody, whatever it is. So from there, I add all that together. And then the final thing I do to lock it all in is put the metronome back on and put everything together so that I can have a piece. And over time, a few days, a couple weeks, however long it takes, based on the difficulty of the song, I'm able to have a cover. Some of the covers that I've posted here on the song. Now, if I'm singing it, it's a different ball game. I don't have to do as much. Well, it depends, right? Coordinating your voice and playing as well. But yeah, there you have it, folks. Take this, y'all. See what you can add to your method and let me know down in the comments below. What do you guys do that's similar? What do you guys not even think of that I do? And what do you guys think I should implement as well? Appreciate y'all. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.